attribute my success to this. I never gave or took any excuse. Hello everyone, I'm Manisha here. Today I'm going to review Decay Life Stories Florence Nightingale. Written by Kitson Zazanka. Illustrated by Charlotte Ager. In this biography, you'll discover the inspiring story of Florence Nightingale, who cared for the British soldiers during wartime, known as the Lady with the Lamp. She saved many lives on and off the battlefield. To know more about the social reformer Florence Nightingale, read this book. See you tomorrow.